It's it's winter time. I'm coming out my apartment, right? So when I come out, there's steps, and it was snow, it was icy. So I'm coming down the steps, and it's a good thing I grabbed that rail because I don't know what happened. I'm coming down the steps. I'm walking this way, but my knee wanted to do something else. You know what I mean? So when I slipped, I grabbed the rail and I grabbed it real quick. So because of me doing that, right, I kind of jerked myself. And by doing that, hey, yo, my knee then felt like it cracked in half, man. Now, I'm on my way to work, mind you. Keep it pushing. Man, I get to work. Yo, my knee is thumping. Yo, it was so bad, yo, I couldn't even sit down for a long period of time. I couldn't stand up for long periods of time, even if I laid down.